Remember, just wants to show the camera while you guys are playing Go Fish.
Yep, play Go Fish.
Danny wants to see you guys play Go Fish too.
Oh, here it is. By the toy changer. Here you go. Your turn again, Andrew.
Pick one.
Yeah.
Do you have any wishes?
No, Andrew, you have to ask something else.
Do you have any woodies?
No, Go Fish.
Okay, go fish.
You have to go fish, Andrew.
Okay, I need go fish.
Hi, Andrew. Right here. This is Go Fish. Andrew.
What?
No, both eyes.
No.
Go Fish. Your turn. Yeah.
Do you have any chunks?
No, Go Fish. I think I do have you. I couldn't remember if I gave it to you already.
Okay.
Oh, here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, one more.
Thank you. Don't play that.
No, just go.
You guys are playing really well.
If you have to go again.
Oh no!
Wait.